A Nigerian software programmer known as Sophia Egemasi, or the Tech Queen, is facing serious charges in the United States. She's accused of being part of a group that stole millions of dollars from government agencies using fake websites and phishing schemes. According to investigators, Egemasi used her programming skills to create fake websites that looked like they belonged to real government agencies. These websites trick employees into giving away their login credentials, which the group used to steal money from government accounts. They are accused of stealing nearly $1.3 million, including $965,000 from the city of Kentucky. Egemasi was known for flaunting her wealth on social media, posting pictures of designer clothes, tech gadgets, and international travel. However, authority claims that her luxurious lifestyle was funded by the money she stole. Egemasi and her co-defendants face up to 20 years in prison if convicted, as well as substantial fines and possible deportation. They are currently in federal custody awaiting trial in Lexington, Kentucky. While this has generated buzz online, share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.